Home Minister Amit Shah has reiterated BJP's promise of implementing the Uniform Civil Code all over the country. He declared that UCC will be implemented within the next 5 years, following consultations with all stakeholders if the Modi government is voted back to power for a third term. He also said that the government will implement the One Nation, One Election for simultaneous elections in the country. Citing Uttarakhand, which recently implemented UCC, Home Minister Amit Shah said that the law made by the Pushkar Singh Dhami government should undergo social and legal scrutiny. He also added that religious leaders should be consulted. Home Minister Amit Shah also called for an extensive debate on this and suggested that the state legislatures and parliament of the country should think seriously over and a law must be enacted. My colleague Mehendi Garg joins us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Mehendi, walk our viewers through what exactly Home Minister Amit Shah stated.
Well, yes, on the promise of bringing uniform civil code in the country, Amit Shah has said that after Modi government comes in power, then it will be implemented. And while giving these statements, he specifically mentioned the Uttarakhand government and said that in the way that Pushkar Singh Dhami's government and the Uttarakhand government has brought uniform civil code in their state, like that, only the uniform civil code will be brought in overall the country. And also, while talking about the UCC, he also mentioned the One Nation, One Election scheme on which Bharatiya Janata Party has been talking for a long time right now. And he has said that in the upcoming 5 years, then One Nation, One Election will also be implemented in the Lok Sabha and in the Vidhan Sabha elections. So these are the big things that have been said by Home Minister Amit Shah, because UCC and One Nation, One Election has been talk of the town from the Bharatiya Janata Party in these elections and earlier also. So right now, when we are in between the Lok Sabha elections, the 7th phase is right away, and on 4th June, the declaration will be made that who will make the government in all these scenarios. Big confirmations has been coming from the Home Minister that these both things, as in the UCC and the One Nation, One Election scheme, will be brought up by the Bharatiya Janata Party in their government in the upcoming 5 years. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details with us, Mehendi. In fact, joining us at this point of time is Mr. Anil Sharma, Congress spokesperson. Sir, a very good morning to you, and thank you so much for taking our time and speaking to us on NewsX. Now, how do you view the statements that have been made by Union Home Minister Amit Shah as far as UCC is concerned? He said that if BJP is back in power, they are going to implement UCC across India. Anil ji, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
जी, absolutely. I'm talking about the statements that have been made by Home Minister Amit Shah. He's of course spoken about UCC, and he said that if BJP is back in power, then they are going to implement UCC across the country. How does the Congress view these statements?
अमित शाह और उनकी पार्टी के लोग उल जलूल बातें करने में लगे हुए हैं। हार का मुंह देखने की कंडीशन इनकी आ गई। कांग्रेस और विपक्ष पार्टियों पर आक्रामक हैं। कभी मुस्लिम पाकिस्तान की बातें करते हैं, कभी मुस्लिम लीग की बातें करते हैं। कुल मिलाकर इनका मानसिक संतुलन बिगड़ चुका है। तीसरी बार मोदी सरकार नहीं आ रही है, ये स्पष्ट हो चुका है, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उसके सहयोगी दलों को 150 से ज्यादा सीटें नहीं आ रही। लेकिन इस समय भी जब 6 चरण के चुनाव निकल चुके हैं, 7वां चरण का चुनाव होने जा रहा है, और अमित शाह इस प्रकार की जब बातें करते तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये 404 पार का जो नारा देते हैं, ये कहीं ना कहीं अप्रत्याशित तरीके से ये अपने आप में आशान्वित है कि ये जो भी घोटाला इनने किया है तो उसके द्वारा ये सरकार बनाने की कोशिश में। लेकिन अभी कुछ समय पहले भी अमित शाह जी ने कहा था कि हम 4थे चरण में 310 सीटें पार कर चुके, लेकिन देश के प्रधानमंत्री, उनकी भाषा शैली से ये प्रतीत होता है कि उन्होंने हार का आकलन कर लिया है। वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन की अगर बात की जाए तो वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन की प्रक्रिया बहुत पहले भी अपनाई जा चुकी है, लेकिन इस देश में इस प्रक्रिया पर हमेशा शिकस्त ही मिली, क्योंकि बहुत सी ऐसे मामले होते हैं कि वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन आपने अगर एक बार किया बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अगर किसी विधायक की अकस्मात मृत्यु हो जाती है, डेथ हो जाती है, तो क्या उस जगह बाई इलेक्शन होगा या उसको पेंडिंग रखा जाएगा? कोई सरकार अगर स्टेट की अगर गिर जाती है तो क्या वहां प्रेसिडेंट रूल लागू होगा या इलेक्शन होगा? बहुत सारे ऐसे मुद्दे हैं जिन मामलों को लेकर अमित शाह जी को जानकारी ठीक से नहीं है, और शायद
Right, sir. Yeah.
इनकी जो सूझबूझ का तरीका है बिल्कुल गलत है।
All right. Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.